state teams.
Okay, so I'm gonna let you guys read this. I'm gonna pause real quick. So I don't know why, like, this is what I really want to stop doing, is worrying and like, oh my god, what's gonna happen next, what's gonna happen next. So I'm, just, doing little stuff, on my computer and whatnot, and I get on Instagram and I see this Dolo Soul Group Uriel made this post, and basically it just sent something to the pit of my stomach, like, oh my god. Like, I'm excited for the new year, but I'm not really one of those people like, this year is not, like, I try not to do that because then I feel like I let myself down if I don't follow through. And it's been like that for a couple years now. So I'm really not trying to be like, oh, January 1st we do this is going to be my resolution. But I woke up today with just this sense of feeling inspired and like trying to push out self-doubt. Like, I don't, it just came over me. I don't know if it was like this break from work and just being around my family, just constantly laughing and smiling, just being around good energy, being around my people, and I woke up like, okay, we need to do this, we're gonna get this together, do this, XYZ, blah blah blah. And then I see this and it just sent something in my, like, in my stomach, like the pit of my stomach was like, oh fuck, like, what is gonna happen this year? Because basically this seemed like, to me, you telling me that the worst has yet to come and 2020 will be that year where everything just bad happens. Like, I got sick elders in my family and everything, and I just immediately felt like, oh my god, somebody gonna pass. I don't want to feel that. I don't want to think that. And you got to be realistic, and I'm very realistic to the point where people think that I am being mean and seeing the glass as half empty. But at the same time, it's people in the comments saying, well, I disagree with that. This year is going to be great for me. And I feel that. Like, I have no other feeling or desire to feel like, oh God, 2020 is going to be pure hell. I'm not trying to feel that. I feel like there's really no coincidences. But at the same time, maybe I did need to see that, this post. But, this whole Jupiter retrograde would be in Jupiter, whatever it was, I'm not about to live in fear. I can't. Like, I've done it too much for too long. I'm not doing it. I'm really not. Capricorn. I'm not. Is this 2020 will set up what happens for the next 7 years. No, I can't. I really can't. That's all. That was just my little rant. This is day 1 of Vlogmas. Yeah. I was feeling good. I'm a little shook, but we're gonna keep it moving. We don't live in fear over here.